Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 8 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's open up Settings. From here on, scroll down to Storage. Again, scroll down and you should find your SD card at the bottom. And once you tap on it, you will find the Format SD card option here. Once you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove basically everything from that card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, maybe photos, videos, anything like that, documents, then back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you don't want to, or you have already done it, you can tap on Format SD card and do that again, and it will begin the process. Now this only takes several seconds. Once it's finished, as it is right now, click on OK and you're completely done. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.